I have a new backpack.
I have a new backpack.
She likes ice cream.
She likes ice cream.
We go to the park every weekend.
We go to the park every weekend.
He is a good singer.
He is a good singer.
My father drives a taxi.
My father drives a taxi.
The pen is on the desk.
The pen is on the desk.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
This is my favorite toy.
This is my favorite toy.
They are in the kitchen.
They are in the kitchen.
I wash my hands before eating.
I wash my hands before eating.
The bird is in the tree.
The bird is in the tree.
Can I borrow your pencil?
Can I borrow your pencil?
I eat lunch at noon.
I eat lunch at noon.
My grandma makes delicious soup.
My grandma makes delicious soup.
The bus is always late.
The bus is always late.
I sleep early on weekdays.
I sleep early on weekdays.
Her birthday is in March.
Her birthday is in March.
The fish is swimming in the tank.
The fish is swimming in the tank.
I have a red bicycle.
I have a red bicycle.
We are watching a movie.
We are watching a movie.
He reads the newspaper every morning.
He reads the newspaper every morning.
I take a shower every day.
I take a shower every day.
The children are playing outside.
The children are playing outside.
My shoes are new and clean.
My shoes are new and clean.
She writes in her diary every night.
She writes in her diary every night.
I don't like spicy food.
I don't like spicy food.
There is milk in the fridge.
There is milk in the fridge.
We travel by train.
We travel by train.
The teacher is very kind.
The teacher is very kind.
I brush my teeth after breakfast.
I brush my teeth after breakfast.
This pizza tastes so good.
This pizza tastes so good.
She always wears a hat.
She always wears a hat.
I have a test tomorrow.
I have a test tomorrow.
The dog is sleeping on the sofa.
The dog is sleeping on the sofa.
He runs fast.
He runs fast.
I like to draw pictures.
I like to draw pictures.
It is very hot today.
It is very hot today.
My sister is in the living room.
My sister is in the living room.
I feed the cat every morning.
I feed the cat every morning.
We eat dinner at 8 p.m.
We eat dinner at 8 p.m.
I bought a new phone.
I bought a new phone.
The sun sets in the evening.
The sun sets in the evening.
My little brother is 5 years old.
My little brother is 5 years old.
Please close the window.
Please close the window.
They are reading a storybook.
They are reading a storybook.
The cake smells delicious.
The cake smells delicious.
I go shopping with my mom.
I go shopping with my mom.
This water is cold.
This water is cold.
I saw a rainbow today.
I saw a rainbow today.
The movie was funny.
The movie was funny.
She studies every night.
She studies every night.
I want to be a doctor.
I want to be a doctor.
He helps his grandparents.
He helps his grandparents.
We are going on a trip.
We are going on a trip.
My uncle lives in London.
My uncle lives in London.
I like summer more than winter.
I like summer more than winter.
Please turn off the fan.
Please turn off the fan.
I hear birds singing.
I hear birds singing.
That shop sells toys.
That shop sells toys.
I can spell my name.
I can spell my name.